Hi, my name is Dr. Frederick Edward Fabella, and I will be discussing the Self, Part 1, Identity and Uniqueness. Okay, so to appreciate the concept of uniqueness and identity, consider a colony of ants. Now imagine being an ant. You look like everyone else, you do what everyone does. This is the nature of being an ant. But human beings are not ants. Each one of us is different. The goal is to discover what makes each of us different. So, what makes you different? But being different doesn't mean you look different than everyone else. It also doesn't mean that you do things that no one else does. Knowing what makes you different is not about comparing yourself with others. Knowing what makes you different is the first step towards establishing your uniqueness. Okay, so I will be asking you to reflect on a number of questions which will help you discover your uniqueness. Okay, so let's begin. Reflect on the following. Okay, what do you see when you look in the mirror? So take a moment to think about that. Okay, next. How do you interact with people? So imagine yourself in the context of friends, of people you work with. All right. Next, how do you feel about issues such as recycling, about government policies, and about marriage? Okay. What is your view of the world? Do you think the world is full of opportunities, or do you see limitations as to what you can do? How about this? Do you regularly drink coffee, or watch the news, or water your plants? How about puzzles? How fast can you solve a puzzle? What are your goals? So think of your short term, your medium term, and your long term goals in different areas of your life. So, what are they? How about what experiences made an impact on you? What are your significant relationships? What talents do you strive to develop? What activities do you invest time and energy in that you enjoy? Who are you regularly in touch with? Do you enjoy watching comedy or hearing a funny joke? What are your favorite food, shows, books, and sports? All right. By reflecting on these questions, you are able to realize what makes you unique. So, imagine that that is you. What contributes to your uniqueness are the following: your looks, your personality, your relationships, your creativity, your passion, your attitude, your sense of humor, your perspective, your habits, your intellect, your communications, your taste, your goals, and of course, your experiences. So, all of these are aspects of you. What makes you unique isn't just one thing, it is a combination of many things. And knowing that you are unique establishes your identity. Okay, so that ends my discussion about identity and uniqueness. If you wish to stay updated with my upcoming lectures, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prof. Eric F. Thank you very much.